Oh, that's so cool.
Wow.
We're gonna get this side!
Totoro!
Hello guys, good morning.
Good morning.
It is the next day and we got vouchers for free breakfast at the Plantation Cafe.
We will see you there and show you what we have. I am just following him because I have no idea where it is. Apparently we go out the door. Ah, there it is. There is Plantation Cafe. Dun, 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 dun.
Look, you make your own Belgian waffles.
So they have rice and fried rice.
Who would go for regular plain rice
Me.
when you have fried rice?
Oh, I think I'll get fried rice too.
So fried rice.
And then they got some potatoes.
Nah.
All potatoes? Just slim in a little bit. Scrambled eggs. Then they got sausage.
And they have eggs Benedict.
Oh, but did they run out?
He'll get more. Bad.
And then they got fruits. Oh, you're right, my little bacon.
Wow.
Try the sausage. Tastes like, you know, the McDonald's with the sausage pancakes. Let's try bacon. I'm sure it tastes like bacon. Yes. Oh, look at this guy. So we just finished eating breakfast and oh, well, that was some good breakfast. Simple but good. So we're gonna go back to the hotel to get ready for Comic-Con, and then we can get autographs. We still didn't decide yet who we want to get that one free autograph and photo from. We will see. Alright, so we are at the T-Mobile booth. He's spinning the wheel.
So if you guys were at T-Mobile, if you guys missed out on T-Mobile TJ swag,
We're at the Geico booth, and he's gonna put in his lucky twinkle. Do you want me to give you some luck?
No, I don't need you. Maybe if I start here, it'll go to the right for the water bottle. I want the water bottle. Maybe here. Maybe here.
I think you should put it.
Too late.
Oh gosh.
Damn it! I got the sunglasses.
Okay.
What the frick?
Thank you.
That's what I want. You cheated.
No.
Roronoa Zoro.
Hey, what's up? Are you Spiderman?
Yeah. Well, I got my backup right here, my Sun Double.
Oh, what happened to your mask?
Before and after paycheck. Yeah.
The second one.
After paycheck.
Probably.
Alright, so I found someone super cool, and you are?
I am TI 64332 of the Pacific Outpost.
The Pacific Outpost. So, what? You're part of the 501st Legion. You're not, yeah. So, what does that mean? Like, what do you guys do there?
So we're an international club, and this is the Hawaii chapter of the Pacific Outpost. And our main goal is we're a nonprofit organization. And we raise funds for charity. We work with different charities to raise funds.
Nice. All right. Well, check them out, folks. Do you have an email or website or anything?
Yeah, the information will be as follows.
Alright, so if you want to join, their website is www.501st.com. If you want to join the other side, rebellegion.com. So you can go over there, check them out. Non-profit organization, it sounds super cool, especially if you like Star Wars.
Totoro, Ayane from Dead or Alive.
Once again, we're on.
So we're at the 105.9 booth. We're about to challenge some Jenga.
First one. All right. Oh no, you gotta put it back up top. The turn's not done until
Oh
you
my
replace it back
gosh,
at the top.
you're so funny. Okay,
Okay.
so we're gonna
You're next.
I'm gonna say the time lapse is gonna be really interesting because it's gonna be like handing the camera back and forth.
Nope, watch this. I got this.
Oh, you got this. You got this.
Well, we gotta be
that's
down
the
by
one.
12:45.
Oh, okay. This will be quick.
Yeah, it'll be quick.
On the count of 3.
1.
1, 2.
That's so cool.
Great.
I'm Satra, she's a Valkyrie.
Oh wow.
I've used little bits from different characters like Xeno Warrior Princess.
That's what I was thinking, the Xeno Warrior.
Yeah.
Hands Lambert. The movie Legend with Tim Curry, he has those huge horns. And I always wanted to make horns, so I made those.
Oh, and they're magnetized.
Yeah, fluorophore.
But that's also that you guys decided to make
Magnet.
How long did it take you guys
Oh, sure. Can you stick that on there?
to make this?
If you just get it close, it'll snap back.
You're going to take a picture in front of the thing and then like the Jawa.
Wow, that's awesome.
Yeah, it took 5 months to make, and then another 2 months to make the wings, and then 1 more month to make my helmet.
That's
And
so
everything
cool,
is
guys.
100% homemade except for my shoes. He even poured the fiberglass for this. None of it is purchased. Before and after work.
The fries with the
Because he still kept his day job.
Excellent.
That is
This is
amazing,
awesome.
guys.
Like,
That's how the contraption works.
that's awesome.
That's genius.
Really lightweight too. There's not a lot of pressure, and it's just like a harness
Right,
over the
yeah,
shoulder.
yeah.
So it's stabilized over the shoulder, and it doesn't.
That's
Oh, man.
cool.
I'm Scott.
Go get him.
Teamrocket.
Odogaron from Monster Hunter World.
How long did it take you?
I think a month.
Oh wow, that's really nice.
Where is Rachel?
We're gonna get photo ops for Rose McIver.
Jason, okay, good.
We're gonna get this side!
Awesome. Okay.
I went up.
Coming in hot too. Rose and Daniel. Thanks for waiting.
Yeah.
How are you doing? Good. You? Good. Selfie and the gentleman.
An amazing
white
penmanship.
shirt can take it. Thank you so much. I did it myself. Stay right here. You're good. Oh, stay right here. Because they're here. So just kind of go down the line.
That's proof.
There you go. Awesome.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay.
Alright, so I kind of went a little overboard there because I got super excited. I don't normally meet famous people, but that was Rose McIver. She's the one that plays in iZombie, the main character. And so she signed it. So I know we keep saying this, but thank you Toyota so much because you guys have made this possible. This would have been like $100
Yeah.
got it for free. So
It's
that's
an awesome experience. I've never met anyone famous before in person, so there you
Besides
go.
me. So I was out here taking pictures of cars, and this gentleman over here walks up to me and is like, "Do you like this car?" And I was like, "Is it yours?" And so you are.
My name's Kalvin.
This is Kalvin, and this car that you see to my left is basically his car. He commissioned people to do it, and then he applied it. It looks amazing.
Summer shop on Instagram.
Oh, okay.
I commissioned him to do this design. And it took them like 2 weeks.
2 weeks to design it. Wow, that's super nice. And so this is the last time you'll see this car because it's getting a whole new look for next year. So we'll
It's gonna be a
back.
Kawaii car.
It's gonna be a Kawaii con.
Kawaii con, alright.
We're gonna be there, so we'll see it too. Awesome.
Alright,
Well,
thank
very much.
you. I'm ready. Wow.
That's super dope.
I'm M from Gale Online.
Yeah.
I'm Len from Gale Online.
Alright, okay, thank you guys.
What are you filling out?
So I'm filling out you can be a superhero. So they're gonna go ahead and sketch us as superheroes.
Dreamers believing in each other, singing "Oli, oli, 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 just go my way." Bird, heart goes off like a bullet. Bird, right here, right now. Bird. Cause I get in 1,000 loves. I'm weird cause I hate goodbyes. Let's go back and forth, let's go. I like to make myself believe that planet Earth turns slowly. It's hard to say that I'd rather stay awake when I'm asleep. Cause everything is never as it seems. Let me hear you, Honolulu, let me hear you.
So we are waiting in line.
Yeah, to get Caleb has autograph. His concert just finished.
It was super fun. So we're gonna wait in line, get his autograph, meet the YouTuber, and then we're also gonna put in the link description down below. I gotta do that quote. Down below, a link to his YouTube channel if you don't know him. He basically makes songs, sings songs. He sings songs from like The Lion King and stuff like that. And so you guys can check him out. He's really good. So check him out, give him some love, and yeah, we're just waiting in line. Alright guys, we're here with Caleb Hales.
That's me.
Hales.
See, I confused you.
He just told me how to pronounce it too.
Nice.
We just finished the concert and it was amazing.
Thank you. Thank
Super
you so
awesome.
much.
Again, once again, his YouTube is going to be down in the description down
It's
below.
just Caleb Hiles. It's so easy.
So
I make it
easy.
easy for y'all.
Super easy.
I'm not trying to
Check him
confuse
out.
anybody. I'm not trying to come up with any sort of like stage name. Just Caleb Hiles.
Caleb Hiles.
It's on my birth certificate.
Chee-hoo.
No
Check
one
him
helps
out. Give him some love. Smash that like and subscribe.
Love y'all. Thank you so much. So what's your channel name?
The DNR Experience.
DNR Experience?
We'll give you a card too.
Subscribe to DNR Experience.
Woo! Subscribe.
Whatever
You
they
heard
do, I support it fully. We'll see when I die on that hill. All right. Subscribe. They're going to do great stuff.
Don't worry, it's PG. Good morning. We're gonna go back to the hotel, get ready, and then go to, what are you doing?
Your face looks huge like that. Like, you got 2 for yourself? You're such a fatty.
I got one for you.
I got 2 too.
Let me see. It says 501st. Hold on.